beautiful people of this universe! Today's video is on gratitude rocks. I'm gonna show you how to make them and how to use them. Everyone, we've encountered a problem. She cannot handle herself down here with the high heels. So I have to go and get her these flip-flops. Now we're going back down. I simply just went out and I looked for some rocks. Once I found all the rocks I wanted, I went back, washed all of them. I just want you to use your creativity. The whole point of this exercise and activity is to use your creativity and not be in your mind about, I need to be very artistic. It isn't an artistic competition. It's simply testing your mindfulness. So use this to be mindful in the process. So feel the paint, watch the strokes, let your creativity flow onto the rock. Use acrylic paint. That is what I use, and you can blow dry it if you want to dry it faster. That's what I did because I'm very impatient when it comes to watching paint dry, so this is what I did. Use them. How do you use them? So pretty much every single time you look at them and every single time you touch them, you have to be thinking of something grateful. So for example, I see the gratitude rock on the other side of my room, so you'll always put it in your room somewhere visible that you will like glance over. So when you glance over the rock, you look at it and you're like, okay, 3 things that I'm grateful for, whatever number you give yourself. You look at it and you say, I'm grateful for the body I'm in. I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my house. And maybe the next time you look at it, you say 3 different things you're grateful for. But instead of just saying I'm grateful, I'm grateful, I'm grateful, go I'm grateful for this, and then really feel it. Really feel the emotion. Really feel the emotion of appreciating that thing. Pretty much it's very, very simple, but it's just I wanted to make a video on this to be able to show you guys. Like, this can be a very fun, creative process as long as you make it. My mom also made the gratitude rocks. I do put some video clips on the video as well, so I don't know, you probably spotted it. By the way, gratitude is extremely important, and I have a video on just that. So go watch the importance of gratitude. I will put this on the link in the description. If you haven't been here before, this is the Diamond Community. Just subscribe to join now. The Diamond Community is a group of people that are subscribed to this channel, and we thrive in pressure because diamonds are made in pressure. Exactly. So we use pressure to make us stronger. Join the community now by subscribing. I will see you soon in my very next video. Like and mwah. Bye!